Hey Curtis, how you doing? Hey, this is Joe from Eagle 2 Digital, and I spoke with you this morning and let you know that I go ahead and get this video over to you. It's about 5, maybe 6 minutes long, showing you exactly what we found that your bigger competitors out there are doing online to generate so many leads, and most importantly, show you how you guys can do it and do the very same thing. And so it all comes down to three simple strategies, and you might be asking yourself, well, why am I willing to go ahead and share this information with you? And it's quite simple, actually. It's because when I show you how valuable this information is and how you can implement these same strategies yourself, there is a chance that you just might decide to go ahead and have me do that for you. And so my job here is to show you exactly what they are doing, show you exactly how you guys can do it yourself, and then let you decide if you do want to go ahead and do it yourself, or if you'd rather have me go ahead and do it for you. So let's go ahead and move on. And what I wanted to show you here is that number one is you got a good looking website here, and so I do like what I'm seeing here, Curtis. Go on down here and you've got your contact information, questions here as well, your location. So it's a nice looking website. You got your menu up here on top, and you got your phone number here too. I probably would recommend going ahead and getting that phone number right up front so people can see that when they pull up your website. But overall, it looks like a nice website. And so number one, what Google is looking for, okay, because it all comes down to meeting the requirements of Google. And Google lets you see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. Okay, if I were to go ahead and see how many words of content you have on your front page, it's showing about 397 words. Okay, so Google has a way of saying, hey, well, listen, if we think these guys are an authority, they're going to have at least 1,500 words of content, but not only a bunch of words, but what we call buyer intent relevant words as well. And so if I were to go ahead, for example, and use this tool that we have called Ahrefs, I can go ahead and take a look, and it shows that you guys have about 36 organic keywords in your front page, showing you, for relevant searches, doing the services that you guys do. If I were to compare that, for example, with your number one competitor out there, who is Airmasters, they've got over 866 organic keywords, and so they've got quite a few more than you guys do, and that's one of the reasons why when you do a Google search using the keywords defining the services you guys do, they seem to be the ones that come up number one first, because they've got a lot more organic keywords. Okay, now another thing we might want to look at here too, that's number one, is 1,500 words of content with some good keywords involved as well. Number two is backlinks. You've got about 350 backlinks. You've got about 21 outside websites that are referring over 350 backlinks to you guys. Okay, so not too bad. Let's go ahead and compare that to what Airmasters is doing, and they've got over 189 referring domains and over 5,000 backlinks, and so huge difference there. Now, what can we do about that? Well, it's actually quite simple. It takes a little bit of time, but it is doable. And what we do is we use a tool here called Ahrefs, and you go ahead and click on backlinks right here. It comes up with all of the backlinks that Airmasters is using to give them authority in the industry. And all you need to do is go ahead and contact each and every one of these guys and say, hey, listen, you guys are sending a lot of backlinks over here for Airmasters, and we want to find out what it takes to get us listed as well. Contact each and every one of these guys and start getting those backlinks listed. Okay, so there's your number two. Number three is what we call citations. And for example, if I were to go ahead and do an AC Repair Tampa, which is a term that we'd use trying to find business that defines what you guys do. We see here that we've got a place up here called the Map Pack, okay, which is usually the very first place your customers are going to lay their eyes, and you're seeing Airmasters here and these guys here too as well. Okay, now why are they here and why are you not here? In order to be in this area right here, they not only meet the criteria for content and relevant keywords and backlinks, but another thing is citations. The citations are the number of online directories that your business is listed in. Okay, so usually the guys that are up here in this map pack usually have anywhere from 100 to maybe 150 online directories that they are listed in. There's actually over 300 directories that you could be listed in. And so in order to be able to do this and get up here with these guys as well, basically what we do is do the very same thing that we did when it came to your backlinks. We use a tool called Majestic. It lists all of the citations here, all the online directories that have Airmasters listed in it, and you contact each and every one of these online directories and say, hey, listen, I want to have my business listed in your directory as well, and submit your information, and they start doing that one by one. So yeah, kind of a long and tedious process, but it works, and that's what it's going to take to get Google working for you. Okay, so to sum it all up, 1,500 words of content with key relevant buyer intent words, backlinks as well, and citations. Okay, and with those three things, that's what's going to get you on the front page when someone's looking up for information about the kind of services you guys provide, and get Google working for you and getting you ranked on the websites. And so, Curtis, I hope you found this information very important, very valuable, and all said and done, as I stated before, it all comes down to whether you guys have the time to go ahead and implement these strategies on your own. If you do, then that's awesome. Go for it. If you really find that this is important, that you would really focus better, your time is better spent focused on your business, then I totally understand. And if you want me to go ahead and help you out in this area, then I'm more than happy to do that for you. So again, my name is Joe from Eagle 2 Digital, and my phone number is 813-797-4433. Curtis, please give me a response to my email and let me know if you'd like me to go ahead and help you guys out with this. I'd be more than happy to do that. Okay? We will talk to you later, and I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Take care.